Hi, I'm James, welcome to A Malt and Make Half. Today we're going to talk about how to make waxed cotton. Waxing cotton is a really easy process, and it's a great way to turn it into a waterproof fabric. Here's how I did it on an apron I've made for a friend.
I'm using a product called Gold Label Waterproof Wax. It sells for just under £6 for this 150 gram tub on Amazon, and I used maybe a quarter of it. The product says use a soft cloth to work it into the fabric, but actually I found using an acrylic scraper, you could use a credit card, a lot easier. It gets it into the fabric fibres really well. And then afterwards, you can just go around with that cloth, making sure any last remaining bits have been worked into the fabric. Once it's all applied, it's time to use a hot air gun or a hairdryer to melt the wax. This makes sure that it sets into the fabric, giving you a really waterproof finish. You can see the colour changing here, where it's slightly shiny when there's wax, and then goes to a matte finish once it's all melted in.
To finish off the process, I've left the apron hanging above one of my radiators. If you enjoyed this, why not check out some of my other videos? And if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe.